Learn English sentences. It's none of your business. It's none of your business. You are wasting my time. You are wasting my time. Use your napkin. Use your napkin. Put on your shirt. Put on your shirt. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. Did you get it? Did you get it? Sit down, please. Sit down, please. Stand up, please. Stand up, please. Let's play outside. Let's play outside. Share with your friend. Share with your friend. Be kind to others. Be kind to others. It's snack time. It's snack time. Come here. Come here. Don't shout. Don't shout. Cover your sneeze. Cover your sneeze. Don't be angry. Don't be angry. Clean up your toys. Clean up your toys. Get dressed quickly. Get dressed quickly. Hold my hands. Hold my hands. Don't pull sister's hair. Don't pull sister's hair. Take a bite. Take a bite. Are you comfortable? Are you comfortable? Speak loudly. Speak loudly. Take your medicines. Take your medicine. Do you need anything? Do you need anything? Don't move. Don't move. Give me a hug. Give me a hug. Come down slowly. Come down slowly. Excuse me. Excuse me. Let's walk together. Let's walk together. Wake up early. Wake up early. Clean up the garden. Clean up the garden. Use your spoon and fork. Use your spoon and fork. Time to cook. Time to cook. No problem, it's okay. No problem, it's okay. It's impossible. It's impossible. Don't yell. Don't yell. It's our story time. It's our story time. What happened? What happened? Take a nap. Take a nap. Take care yourself. Take care yourself. Good idea. Good idea. Tie your shoelaces. Tie your shoelaces. Take a bath. Take a bath. Can't say. Can't say. Set the alarm. Set the alarm. Your turn. Your turn. Finish your meal. Finish your meal. It's fantastic. It's fantastic. Stop crying. Stop crying. What nonsense. What nonsense. Don't insist. Don't insist. Don't talk with your mouth full. Don't talk with your mouth full. Time for school. Time for school. Surf the internet. Surf the internet. It's nothing. It's nothing. Don't run inside. Don't run inside. How foolish. How foolish. Take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. Time for bed. Time for bed. Move the furniture. Move the furniture. Pluck the flower. Pluck the flower. That's all. That's all. Walk slowly. Walk slowly. Think again. Think again. Believe me. Believe me. Don't touch switchboard. Don't touch switchboard. Tell the truth. Tell the truth. Don't jump on the bed. Don't jump on the bed. Forget my keys. Forget my keys. Don't scribble on the wall. Don't scribble on the walls. Be kind to animals. Be kind to animals. Get out from here. Get out from here. Hurry up. Go quickly. Hurry up. Go quickly. Don't touch the iron. Don't touch the iron. Don't spill your drink. Don't spill your drink. Hold your pencil correctly. Hold your pencil correctly. Sit there, please. Sit there, please. Pay attention, everybody. Pay attention, everybody. Don't step in the puddle. Don't step in the puddle. Stay in line. Stay in line. Don't touch the stove. Don't touch the stove. Iron your shirt. Iron your shirt. Wash your car. Wash your car. Drink your milk. Drink your milk. Change the pillow cover. Change the pillow cover. Don't chew with your mouth open. Don't chew with your mouth open. Trust me. Trust me. Say good night. Say good night. Stop fighting. Stop fighting. Be punctual, don't be late. Be punctual, don't be late. Open your book and read. Open your book and read. I fulfill my promise. I fulfill my promise. I am yawning. I am yawning. Finish your homework. Finish your homework. Don't wink. Don't wink. Feel sick. Feel sick. I am getting wet. I am getting wet. Look both ways. Look both ways. Don't spit on the floor. Don't spit on the floor. Don't hit. Don't hit. Put on your shoes. Put on your shoes. Drive slow. Drive slow. Have patience. Have patience. Check my answers, please. Check my answer, please. Welcome Kids Open Window channel. Do like and subscribe.